Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 ways to turn a bad day into a good one. We all have bad days from time to time, but with the right mindset and tools, we can definitely turn them around. So let's get started. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a great way to turn a bad day into a good one. Take a few minutes to focus on the positive aspects of your life and what you're grateful for. This will help shift your mindset towards positivity and gratitude. Get moving. Getting moving is another way to turn a bad day into a good one. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. It really does work. Even a short walk, run, or a yoga session can help improve your mood and your energy levels. Connect with others. Connecting with others is a great way to turn a bad day into a good one. Reach out to a friend or family member and talk about what's going on. Sometimes talking about your problems can help you feel better and gain perspective on things. Do something you enjoy. Doing something you enjoy is another way to turn a bad day into a good one. Take some time to do something that brings you joy, whether it's going to a place that makes you feel better, spending time with a pet or your plants, or if you're anything like me, it may even be cooking some great food. Things like this will help you to relax and take your mind off your problems. Practice self-care. Practicing self-care is essential to turning a bad day into a good one. Take care of your physical and emotional needs by getting enough sleep, eating healthy, and doing things that make you feel good. This will help you feel more positive and energized for the day. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to turn a bad day into a good one. Remember, bad days are just a part of life, but they don't have to define your day or your mood. With these tips, you can turn a bad day around and feel more positive and energized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks that you and everyone else need to know.